What is up, YouTube? It has been a minute since I've been around. Got back from the camping trip. The van made it all the way up and back. 3 hours out, 3 hours back. No issues whatsoever, which is phenomenal. The guy working for me at the shop called once and asked how things were going. I said it's good. I'm fishing on a lake in Wisconsin, and he said, "You're there already?" It's nice when things don't break down when you go places and you actually get there in a reasonable amount of time. So, quick little update. I don't really have anything to show on this video. We're not working on anything, but made it back from the camping trip 2-3 days ago. Got the garage semi-torn apart, so the bagger's outside, super glide's outside. Chopper stayed there. We preemptively decided to do a garage sale this weekend and try and get rid of some stuff on the inside of the house, which means I gotta clean up a little bit in here because it's a garage sale where nothing in the garage is actually for sale. Well, maybe some of the stuff underneath the table and some of the stuff in the shed. I got a bunch of Harley and Ford parts and stuff like that in the shed that I don't really need or plan on using. So we'll throw that out on the little sign. Hot rod parts, Ford parts, Harley stuff. I don't know. Maybe people want it, maybe they don't. But we got nothing else going on this weekend, and if we can make a little bit of cash and clear up some space, that's a win-win in my book. I haven't done the cam swap in the van, or advanced the cam in the van yet. I haven't done the rear end gears, so we're still running 389s in there, which is cool. It works. But Western Illinois, surprisingly, if you've never been, has a lot of hills. And the hills out on the western side of Illinois into Wisconsin, or even the western side of Wisconsin, southwestern side of Wisconsin, there's a good amount of hills, like Galena, anything along the Mississippi. The van doesn't like the hills that much. I'm ripping the Falcon around today, so same motor, same trans. Roller cam 302, roller cam 302, AOD trans in both. The Falcon's okay, but does not like overdrive, and I don't know if it's getting too much trans pressure with the shift kit and not enough revs, but we'll figure that one out as we go. Van needs 411s, that's 100% happening. And I'm rebuilding rear ends right now for the Falcon with 411s. I got 389s now, but I'm jumping that up to the 411s. I might go a little bit taller on that one. With the heads, top end, I'm super happy with the way that car runs. Low end, she's kind of a dog. With the trick flow cam in there and the heads, I thought I would have a little bit more takeoff down low. It doesn't. And I still want to run the single plane manifold, which is only going to hurt the bottom end. Van's running a Performer 289 Edelbrock, but it's also 3 times the weight of the Falcon, so I'm kind of comparing apples to oranges here. And we have massive tires. These are 29.5-inch tires, I think, if I remember correctly. 29.5s, I don't know. It's closer to a Bronco than it is a Mustang, that's for sure. But I'm gonna finish cleaning up the garage. Just wanted to give a quick little update. I'll post some of the camping stuff after this. Great weekend with the dogs, got away from the rest of the world. Didn't look at my phone for 4 days, slept in the woods. It's a win-win. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, enjoy whatever else I put after this. We'll catch you guys on the next one. vacation camping trip, no Simcoe, but you got a spot in the woods. The van ran like a top, not one issue at all. Set up the party tent for the puppers. And this is where I'll be living for the next 4 days. No phones, no nothing. Just good times hanging out with the fam. Made it.
Made it.
Lost in the woods. With a lake right down there. Oh. Catch you guys on the next one.